Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 329, NASDAQ down 160, S&P's off 37. Percentage-wise out here, folks, you get the NASDAQ down 2%, S&P's Dow Industrials down 1.3%. Gold contract down $3, trading at $12.67 an ounce. We have silver down 12 cents, $16.33 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 56 cents, $68, 2 cents a barrel. Notes and bonds. We had the 10-year note up 4 ticks, 119.30. 30-year bond up 9, 144.08. King dollar down 205 ticks, trading 93.975. The euro is at 117.02 to 1 U.S. dollar. The yen is at 109.80 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get a down market, you get expansion of volume. Bottom line wants lower price. We did 120 million shares inside the SPY out here today, folks. That's after making a high on the 12th of June with 72 million. Right now, we're trading the exact same spot we were January 3rd of this year inside the SPY. We did 120 million. My take, February 9th swing low, that's what we're going after. That's 252. Inside the NDX 100, same type of setup inside the NDX 100. NDX 100, monster move down. We're at 170.137. The NDX right now is trading where we were trading on the 24th of January of this year. We went down at 74 million shares, and that's after making a high with 33 million. What's out here? We know it's out here. High volume swing low, 150. 150 is coming at you. That's the bottom line. If we take a look at this NQ, what you're going to see is that you broke this uptrend, and you broke this uptrend with conviction. You know, you actually jumped the whole trend line. The trend line that we're talking about was from April 4th. The April 4th trend line started at 154. Bottom line, you blow it apart. Wide price spread, accelerated volume. That's a blow apart with conviction. Small caps. We take a look at the small caps. Now, small caps, Russell 2000, were the strongest out there, way over the top of the consolidation. Top of the consolidation inside the IWM is 160. We got up to a price point of 170 on Wednesday of last week. Right now, you're at 165. You do have an expansion of volume. I expect the next move is 160. We'll see whether we get back inside the lower range. What the small caps also have, high volume swing low, February 9th. It's glaring, folks. It's all over the place. If we go into the financials, what you're going to see, and this is where this gets really intriguing, inside the aspect of where this market wants to go, where interest rates want to go. So, XLF, bottom line, you're at 26.78. The XLF topped out in January 29th at 30 bucks. We take this and we put this on a weekly. What you're going to see is that we're going after the high volume swing low of $26.76. We hit 26.59 today. Bottom line, we're going to see if in fact that's going to hold. If we break this, bottom line, you're going to be down to 26 in about a heartbeat. And if we break it with the kind of volume that we had today, because we got big volume today, then you're talking a whole different animal. Then you're talking like 21. The ironic part about it is Berkshire Hathaway is the leader. It's the largest weighting structure inside the XLF. It is also broke out the bottoms. It had the high volume lows. It broke them out today, and you had volume behind the move. We're at 186.73. If we put this on, you'll see it broke out the consolidation. That's saying that good old Berkshire wants to run down to this 182 number. JP Morgan, we take a look at JP Morgan, see how that baby set up. JP Morgan, the high volume low 103.98. and we hit 103.96. Now, JP, this is going to be cool. Okay, so this is what JP Morgan did. Your high volume low, February 5th, 30 million shares. We did 16. Now the question is going to be, are you going to reject lower price? We put this on because it tested it right to the penny. It was 2 pennies below it. Put this on a weekly basis, and when you're going to watch on a weekly basis, 140 million shares, as well as the price. So JP Morgan's going to tell us quite a bit about the XLF. If we go take a look at WFC, Wells Fargo, let's take a look at Wells Fargo and see what we got with Wells Fargo. It's amazing. Wells Fargo has a different chart altogether. It's amazing. They get fined so many times, but yet they have a different chart altogether. Yeah. You know, Wells Fargo doesn't look that bad. You know, we take a look at Wells Fargo. You know, you're back in the range. But that being said, it doesn't look to me like this thing wants to break down. You know, you're down off a high of 66. You're trading 53. But it looks to me, I mean, the bottom of this range is 48. It doesn't even look like it wants to go down to 48. Different animal altogether. Some of the higher volume equities out here, this is what you had. We had Advanced Micro was down 69 cents. You had Micron Tech off 394. Microsoft was down 202. Apple 275. Campbell Soup, that caught a bid. Kraft is looking at Campbell Soup. That was up 360. Netflix down 26 bucks. Facebook down $5.50. Big numbers right across the market. Harley Davidson, trouble in paradise. Harley Davidson, bottom line, they came out this morning. They said the taps are going to cost them from 90 to 100 million on a material basis. They're going to move some production out of Milwaukee, going to move it somewhere overseas so that the taps don't take effect. In Europe, bottom line is that this stock is going after its swing low of 39. Right now you're at 41. This has been down. It's been down since March of 2017. March 2017, you're a $63 stock. What you have the high volume low of 36 bucks from January of 2016 that hasn't been tested. That's where this baby wants to go. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.